Good morning, Year 3. Welcome back to another maths lesson. Now, today we only have one guided practice question, but it's got two parts and it's quite complicated. So listen carefully and we'll try and work it out. So, the blue ribbon is twice as long as the red one. So I have my blue ribbon here and it's twice as long as the red one, meaning the red one is half the length of the blue one, so we can fit two red ones into the same size as the blue one. The blue ribbon is 3 times as long as the green one. So the green one is 1, 2, 3 times smaller than the blue one. The green ribbon is 28 centimeters long. Now part A says, find the length of the blue ribbon. Now we have a lot of information here. That's why bar models are really useful to keep us focused and to give us like a bit of a clue as to how we're going to solve it. So it says find the length of the blue ribbon. Now we only have one actual length at the minute, which is the green ribbon is 28 centimeters long. Now we know the green ribbon is a third of the length of the blue ribbon. So to find the length of the blue ribbon, we're going to have to multiply the length of the green one 1, 2, 3 times. So I've written this question in blue, so we know we're trying to solve the blue ribbon. So let's start with our ones. 8 times 3 we know is 24. We can't fit 24 into here, so we're going to keep the 4, regroup the two tens. Now 2 times 3 is 6, and we need to add on the 2, makes 7, 8. So our answer is 84. Now because our first number here was in centimeters, this is also going to be in centimeters. So the length of the blue ribbon is 84 centimeters. We can also fill this in up here in our bar model. Now part B said, find the length of the red ribbon. Now we can't use, we could use the green ribbon, but it's going to be a lot easier to use the blue ribbon because we know the blue ribbon is twice as long as the green ribbon. So if we wanted to make this blue ribbon the same size as the green ribbon, or the red ribbon, sorry, we would cut it in half. So if we're cutting it in half, that means it's getting smaller. We're dividing it by 2. Can you remember what our dividing in written method looks like? So it would look like this. We've got our little house above the number that we're dividing. Now when we're dividing, it's a bit different than when we do any other type of calculation because we start with the biggest number, and the biggest number in this question is the tens. So 8 divided by 2, sorry, how many 2's go into 8? Let's count in our 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8. So there are 4 2's in 8. Now we've done the tens, we're going to move down a place value to the ones. How many 2's go into 4? 2, 4. There are 2 2's in 4. So the length of our red ribbon, again because this is in centimeters, the 84 is in centimeters, our answer will also be in centimeters. The length of our red ribbon is 42 centimeters. So we can also fill this in here. Now there are lots of different ways that we can check our answers here. So if we wanted to check, we could add 42 and 42 to check we get 84. Now no, 2 add 2 is 4 and 4 and 4 is 8. So yep, that sounds about right. We could also divide 84 by 3, and if we get 28, then we know that it's also right with the green one. That's using the inverse, the opposite operation, the opposite calculation to check our answers. So just be careful today. Read the question, use the bar models to decide, are you going to need to multiply or are you going to need to divide? And then work out your answer from there. And again, I'm going to keep saying this, check your units. Please make sure you always put in your units. And I'll see you tomorrow for our last maths lesson of this week. Bye guys.